Hello, this is Tom Cooley at Go Clover Connect. And today I'm going to walk through the PCI portal. You're going to access the PCI portal by logging into CardPoint. Going into the My Account tab, you'll see a banner here that says your account is currently listed as PCI non-compliant. You can either follow that link or you can log into the PCI portal directly by going to cardpoint.managepci.com. First time you come in here, you're going to want to register your account. You're going to register by using the merchant ID number that we give you when you signed your merchant application. Security code is listed right here. Once you register your account, you're going to come into the CardPoint PCI portal. I'm going to answer each of the questions for you. You're going to first just say that you understand. You have access to all the resources to understand everything you're doing here within the PCI portal. Once you hit next, it's going to ask you to choose an assessment method. You're going to choose to guide me. How do you accept credit cards? So you're going to choose face-to-face, even though some of these other ones may look familiar in the way that you accept credit cards. Face-to-face is how you're going to choose the PCI method. How do you accept payments? You're going to choose, you have an integrated electronic point of sale system and choose next. Your point of sale system. Are your payment card terminals or point of sale systems using a PCI approved point-to-point encryption hardware solution? The answer is yes. The answer is yes to this one as well. And the answer is going to be yes to this one as well. Your point-to-point encryption system is going to be Card Connect LLC. And then next. Your device may not be listed here. So you're going to want to choose the Ingenico IPP310. All of the CardPoint integrated devices work the exact same way. So choose next. And you do not print, receive, or have access to paper receipts or reports that contain the full credit card number. So the answer is going to be no. Does anyone in your organization have access to this information? No. And do you store any of this information? The answer is going to be no. Your company policy on information security. You're going to choose the first option. You can download that for your reference. Do you enforce a minimum password length? This is required for any login, so the answer is going to be yes. And you do not use any third parties, so the answer is going to be no. And there are no other third-party solution providers, so you can choose no here as well. I'll let you pause this so you can type the information that I've provided here. Once you complete, you can choose next. Now you're going to get to this screen. It's going to show you you're still not compliant. That means there's still some functions left to do. The first thing you want to do is come to the complete security assessment. And you're going to want to choose manage. And it's going to tell you that you've still got some questions to answer. So you're going to want to answer those questions. There's some questions here that you'll need to answer. I think there's 3. You're going to want to just answer yes to each one of these, right? You have access to this information, so you can always review this with your staff in the future to make sure that you're following all the rules. You'll choose next. Now, confirm your compliance. It does ask for some information, so I'm going to include the information that I used for login. Boom, I'm now compliant. If I log back into CardPoint, it's probably not going to reflect here. You can check in 24 hours and it should be listed there correctly. Please let me know if you have any questions or if there's any way I can improve on the PCI portal, and I'm happy to oblige. Thanks again.